Today let's discuss what an ideal supplier of evaporation boats look like. An ideal supplier of evaporation boats must possess many capabilities. I am listing a few of them. First of all, the supplier must have a good knowledge of material science and metallurgy, because here we are dealing with very complicated items like titanium diboride and boron nitride. State-of-the-art technology is an absolute must, because here we are dealing with hot presses that operate at temperature of 2000 degrees centigrade, and there is a lot of pressure also involved in it, and machines must be really safe and technologically advanced. A company producing evaporation boats must have in-house quality policy to produce evaporation boats as per the strict standards required by the customers, plus additional certifications from third parties. Research and development focus is required because machines are continuously evolving, machines are coming out to enhance productivity, and machines are operating faster and faster. So boats have to match the pace. We at Supervac, in fact, try to keep a step ahead of the machinery manufacturers also. We produce boats that enhance the productivity of the machines. Customer support, like in any other industry, is extremely important. The supplier must have a dedicated technical team of experienced engineers who have experience in running the metallizing machines, so that they can support customer in case the customer is facing any problem with respect to boats or any other problem with respect to the metallizer. This is an absolute must in my opinion. Timely delivery is extremely important, once again, because evaporation boats are very costly consumable. So customer is not supposed to keep huge stocks just to be safe. The supplier must be able to deliver in time, on time, every time. Today we are living in a global village. So the supplier must be able to deliver anywhere in the globe in a reasonable amount of time, irrespective of the country or continent. Competitive pricing has become extremely important in the recent past because of a lot of pressure on the metallizers to reduce the costs. Evaporation boats are required to be changed almost every 24 hours. So the cost has to be competitive, and not only that, the productivity also has to be large so that the production cost itself also comes down. Metallizing doesn't go in a linear way. There are festival seasons when the production needs to be scaled up. There are seasons when production can go down. So the boats manufacturer must work in absolute synchrony with the metallizer to enhance the capacity and supply more boats when they are required, and reduce the production when these are required less, so that there is no burden on the metallizer to keep a huge stockpile of inventory of evaporation boats.